Welcome or welcome back on INH help at C-square. In this example, we have to solve a system of equation. We have three equations. You see how I count them, and three variable. And look into this system of equation. I notice on 1 and 2 that I have only x, so that will tell me that I should eliminate x in these two equations. So I'm gonna copy number 1, x plus 2y plus z equals 4. I'm going to copy number 2, which is x minus y plus 2z equals 5, and I'm going to subtract them, and it really doesn't matter the order, so I'm going to do 1 minus 2. I'm going to subtract from first equation the second one, so let's see what we get. So if we do that, you notice that the x cancel out, and that was the reason we do that subtraction. And then we have 2y minus negative y, that will be 3y, positive z minus positive 2z, that will be minus z, and for minus 5 is negative 1. So I'm going to call this equation number 4, and then I'm going to move and I'm going to do the same process, or a similar process in fact, for equation, let's say 2 and 3, but you can take 1 and 3. So equation 2, if you notice, is x minus y plus 2z equals 5. Equation number 3 is 3x plus 3y plus 4z equals 13. How do I eliminate x here? I'm going to multiply the second equation by negative 3. So let's see what we get. We get equation number 2 becomes negative 3x plus 3y minus 6z equals negative 15. And equation 3 is going to stay as it is, so we have 3x plus 3y plus 4z equals 13. And now I'm going to add them, because when I add them, I eliminate this x. So we end up here with 6y, 3y plus 3y is 6y, minus 2z equals negative 2. And this, I'm going to call it equation number 5. So now I can move to the next stage, where I'm going to take equation number 4, 3y minus z equals negative 1, and equation number 5, which is 6y minus 2z equals negative 2. We have a system of equation with two variables, y and z. How can we solve that? I'm going to multiply equation number 4 by negative 2, because if I multiply 3y by negative 2, I get negative 6y. So I'm going to write that here, equation 4 times negative 2. So let's see what we get. We get negative 6y plus 2z equals negative 2, and equation number 5 stays the same. And now we're going to add them. We're going to add them to eliminate y, which is gone, but also you notice the z is gone, and by the way this is negative 2, and also the right side becomes 0. So in fact we get here 0 equals 0. At this moment we realize that this system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Whenever you get this situation, that's the meaning. So we have solution. Is not unique. The question is, how do I find this solution? And for that reason, we're going to go back to this equation number 4, but you can take number 5 also. And you're going to solve for y. And we're going to have here 3y equals z minus 1. and y equals z minus 1 over 3. So this is the y value, and we use z as any real number. But we have to find x also, so I'm going to take equation number 1, x plus 2y, but y it's z minus 1 over 3 plus z equals 4. So we're going to have to solve for x here, but we're going to do several steps. The first one, we're going to multiply by 2 the fraction z minus 1 over 3, so that will be 2z minus 2 over 3. Also, I'm going to change that z in 3z over 3 so I can have the same denominator. And then I can add these two fractions, the denominator of 3, and 2z plus 3z is 5z minus 2 equals 4. And now the only thing I have to do to solve for x is to subtract that fraction. You see it, so I have 4, which is 12 over 3, minus, like I said, that fraction, which is 5z minus 2 over 3. The only thing we have to do here is to simplify, keep the denominator. Then we have 12 minus negative 2, that is 14 minus 5z. So now we have x, we have y, and z can be any real number. These are the solution of this equation. Like I said, infinitely many solution. And for example, I can pick a z of 4, and I'm gonna get an x of negative 2 and a y of 1. This is one of the many solutions we have. But again, the solution will be in this format, with z any real number and x of this fraction and y this fraction. Also, I want you to take a look to the graphical approach. You notice here we have 3 planes, each one represent one equation, and they intersect in this line. This is the solution of this system of equation. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C-Square for more help. Thank you.